Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about surface area and volumes part 3. Okay, make sure you have watched part 1 and 2. Okay, let us move on to the part 3. Here we are going to discuss about cube. How can we find out the TSA of a cube? As you know, cube means all the sides will be equal. So here I have taken a cube with edge A. You can see here, and the second figure shows how it looks like when we open that cube. So we have the edge A. So I have marked here the areas of each faces. We have 6 faces for the cube. So each face area is A square. So what can be the total surface area of the cube? So we can find out by adding the area of each face. Okay, area of face 1 plus area of face 2 plus area of face 3 plus area of face 4 plus area of face 5 and at last area of face 6. So when you add these together, what you will be getting? All are a square. So a square plus 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 a square. You have 6a square. Therefore, the TSA of a cube, or we can say that the total surface area of a cube will be equal to 6a square, right? It will be very easy for you to remember since you have learned the cuboid very well, how to find out the area. So let us move on to how to find out the lateral surface area of a cube. So as we have discussed in the previous classes, how to find out the lateral surface area, you have to remove two faces areas from the given total surface area. That means excluding the top and the bottom. Here, but all the areas are same. So you can reduce 2a square from the total surface area. That means TSA, from the TSA you have to subtract 2a square. Areas of two faces, right? So you will get LSA of a cube. LSA of a cube as 4a square. Is it clear all of you? LSA of a cube is 4a square. Clear? So let us do some problems based on this. You can see the problem here. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So first let us find out the first part. For that, the edge of cube is given, right? The edge of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So we can find out the lateral surface area of the box, cubical box. So LSA of cubical box. We have just seen how to find out the LSA of a cubical box. Cube, right? That is equal to 4 edge square, right? So we can say that 4 into 10 square, that is equal to 400 centimeter square. Okay, so now let us move on to the cuboidal box. We have learned about cuboid in the previous classes, so it will be very easy for you to find out the lateral surface area of a cuboid, right? So here for the cuboidal box, length is given. Length is 12.5 centimeters. Breadth is 10 centimeters and you can see the height as well as 8 centimeters. So h is equal to 8 centimeter. How to find out the LSA of cuboidal box? Do you all remember? Yes, very good. That is equal to 2 into LH plus BH. So we are going to substitute the values. L is 12.5, H is 8 plus B is 10, then H is 8. So when you substitute this, you will get the answer as 360 centimeter square. So it is clear that we can say that the cubical box is having the greater LSA than the cuboidal box, right? So greater surface area, lateral surface area is for cube, and by how much? That is by 400 centimeter square. Is it clear? So now we are moving towards the second part of the question. Which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So we have to find out the total surface area of both cubical as well as cuboidal box. Now let us move on to that. Okay. So second part of the question, we have to find out the TSA, right? First, let us find out the TSA of the cubical box. TSA of cubical box. So we have the formula as 6 into edge square, right? Here the edge we have is 10. So 6 into 10 square is equal to 600 centimeter square is the TSA of the cubical box. Now we are moving towards to find out the TSA of the cuboidal box. TSA of cuboidal box is equal to, you know the formula, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Very good. So that we are going to substitute here. So 2 into 12.5 multiplied with 8 plus 10 multiplied with 8 plus 12.5 multiplied with 10, that much centimeter square. You will get the answer as 610 centimeter square. So you have to check here which cuboidal box or the cubical box will have the smaller total surface area. So which is having the smaller total surface area? Yes, cubical box is having the smaller surface area than the cuboidal box, and it is by how much? Difference is equal to 610 centimeter square minus 600 centimeter square. That is 10 centimeter square more for which one? Yes, cubical box. I hope this much is clear for you. What we have learned today is the LSA and TSA of cube, as well as we have done the problem as well. Thank you.